Welcome to episode 3, Comparing Numbers. Today we're going to be using our place value chart to compare two different numbers here, 565 and 559. We're going to place these on our place value chart to see where they're different and where we're going to compare them. So we have 565, which has 5 hundreds, 6 tens, and 5 ones. We're going to compare that to 559, which has 5 hundreds, 5 tens, and 9 ones. Now, we don't want to start over here. And a lot of the processes that we do, we start over on the right, but we don't want to do that here. We want to start with the biggest place value that they have in common. We want to start with the hundreds. And we're just going to compare these two, 500 versus 500. Which one is more? Well, they're the same. So I'm going to take another color and I'm going to mark that out. Okay? We can't use this to compare because they're the same. So we have to go on to our next one. Now we have 6 tens versus 5 tens. These are different, so we can compare. This 6 is bigger, it's greater, which means that this number, 565, is greater than 559, even though this 9 is bigger than this 1. It doesn't matter because even if we just look at 59, 59 is less than 65. We have to think, what is the value of these digits? And the value of the tens place is more important. It's larger than this value in the ones. So we have to look at our largest place value first. Since 565 is greater than 559, we use the greater than symbol. From our video, the alligator wants to eat this 565 since it is larger. Let's look at one more problem. Let's look at 1,398 versus 1,299. Let's put that on our place value chart. 1,398. I forgot my thousands place, so I'm just going to tack it on here. 1,000, 3 hundreds, 9 tens, and 8 ones. That's just a tad bit messy for me, so I'm going to erase that there and move this over just a tiny bit. 1,398. And we're going to compare this number to 1,299. Just by looking at these two numbers without putting them onto this place value chart, do you know which one's larger? And then more importantly, how do you know? So if you can tell me how you know, then you can use that for more challenging comparisons. When I look at this number, I'm noticing my first difference is in the hundreds place. It was 1,000 still, but 2 hundreds. Really, I can stop here because I can tell if this 3 is larger than this 2. The 300 in this number is larger than the 200 in this number. But I'm going to go ahead and finish it. 99. Like we did with that one before, thousands are the same, so I'm going to cross it out. These two are different, though, and the 3 is larger, meaning that 1,398 is the greater number. So again, we're going to have the greater than symbol. But if the numbers were switched around, 1,299 over there and 1,398 over here, then we would have the less than symbol because that alligator's mouth is going to follow the larger number. Whichever number we've decided on our place value chart is larger, that's the one that's going to be eaten. Try a few of these on your own. Ask for help if you need it. And stay mathematical!